You go on a hike, so here's how to have fun. Dance awkwardly in the streets. Option number 2, build a tree house. What a nice tree house. Yay! Practice your Macarena dancing skills. After practicing your Macarena dancing skill for hours and hours, you're probably tired, so we're gonna do something else. Here's a tip. A shooter of hot sauce to wake you up is always good. Cheers. To calm that down, take a spoon, take some cinnamon, and take it. Now that you're okay and all healthy, it's time to go call your friends and do something else. So, see you guys and Rasberry smash!